so out of control. High up above can get you down, no. And I know I sometimes drive you crazy. Yeah, I know I sometimes drive you crazy. And I think that's why you've been building up this wall now, and I don't really know how I'm supposed to break it down. I tried peeking through the cracks, saw the light but couldn't catch it. I'm the one who's breaking down. You should let me love you, but you're making it so hard to. You've been building up this wall now, and I don't really know how I'm supposed to break it down. You're my one in a million. It's like someone picked you out of the sky. Maybe I met you for a reason, and I can't believe that we're both alive at the same time. Is this it?
Just throw it in the book.
That's my baby.
Get away from me! What's your neck? Go brush your teeth! Get away from me, please. Ew, there's something in your mouth. That's so... Ew, you're foaming, for real! Ew!
I'm foaming.
What is that? That white thing from your mouth?
That means you have rabies.
You're so nasty. Ew! Why would you do that? That's so gross!
Oh, you're so gross.
God, so freaking disgusting.
Now and I don't really know how I'm supposed to break it down.
Fighting over the chair.
Yeah, she better.
Man, look, the
Don't
strawberry
tell me
juice
shut the
stepping-
fuck up. 'Cause
Shut the fuck up!
She's still talking to me. Hey, that was to me. Okay.
One.
Hold on. Wait, bet. Who do you think is gonna win? Oh, I already
no.
know Taya is. I already know Taya
They
is.
say you better lose. One,
Taya's
two,
gonna
three.
Taya's gonna win. I already know it. Told you. They're still going. Fucking, whose child is that? Whose child is that? Taya won. Hey, what do I win? I already knew.
Really?
Get up. Hey, look on the side. Don't help him. She's trying to get up and help him. Nope.
So much time.
Let's see how long it takes.
And then I lost my mind.
Ow.
You about to look at that nice pee right there. It's a whole puddle.
Really? My turn.
I dare you.
My turn.
Oh wow. Tina.
Hey, you in my seat.
Why the fuck would you do that to him? Look at his eyes from the water.
Look at your eye.
Oh, you want to start?
Look at his face. Come here. Hey, come here. He's going back.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, now he's going back.
Wait, we gotta make sure he goes back
Wait, don't need to. Make sure you don't.
because it's pushing
So you
him.
don't get tired.
No, we need to go. We need to go.
No, he's good. He's good. He's good.
Don't do that. No.
Oh, yeah.
I stay up and think
Damn.
Catfish. Caesar.
Hey, don't look at
Baby. He's not gonna eat it.
He's so nice to me.
No, I love my baby. I'm like, no.
He's not just nice to me. He's nice to my
But yeah. But she needs to realize, like, no, I
Oh,
love
you need to
her.
realize you shut the fuck up. That's why I'll stab him.
Just throw it in the book. You know what you do? Meet me on the hotline.
My turn.
They orange, this kind.
Get away from me!
Kidding, dude, man. Kidding, I love it.
Get away from me!
You're not gonna give me a kiss? Really? If you don't give me a kiss, you about to get blocked.
Can you please leave me alone, please? Hang out with your brother, that's why you're here.
They're not gonna give me a kiss. Oh, your book,
I don't wanna see you. Never the right time to say goodbye. A right time to say goodbye.
Now here I go again. I see the crystal visions. I keep my visions to myself. It's only me that wants to wrap around your dreams. And have you any dreams you like to sell? Dreams of loneliness, like a heartbeat drives you mad, and the stillness of remembering what you had and what you lost and what you had and what you lost. Thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Say women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you know. Oh, thunder only happens when it's rain.
You about to look at Noise pee right there. There's a whole puddle.
Really? My turn.
How dare you?
My turn.
Oh wow. Do not.
Hey, you in my seat.
Why the fuck would you do that to him? Look at his eyes from the water.
Look at your eye.
Oh, you want some more?